Let's make rainbow rice together. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to get this recipe started, and once you make it, you can save it for over a year and use it over and over and over again. So let's get started. For each color that you're going to make, you're gonna need 1 cup of rice, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and the food coloring of your choice. I like to mix my colors in the Ziploc bag, so I first put the vinegar with the food coloring, and then I'm gonna put my 1 cup of rice. I'm going to close that in, and I'm going to shake it to make sure that all the rice is covered and colored by the mixture of food coloring and vinegar. The food coloring sometimes gets stuck in the corners of the bag, so I'm making sure I'm moving the rice around and I'm putting the corners inside out and really trying to spread that around. Once it's ready, I'm going to grab some aluminum foil and I'm going to cover my tray. This is gonna make it easier when it's time to clean up or when it's time to transfer to our activity table. Because of vinegar, the rice is now wet, so I'm going to transfer it into the aluminum foil so that it can give it some time and dry it up. Otherwise, when you touch the rice, all the color is going to be transferred onto your fingers. What is gonna happen is as the rice gets dry, the vinegar is going to be attached to each of the rice grains with the food coloring, making sure that it's not going to be transferred onto the fingers once we start playing with it. Because what we're doing today is rainbow rice, we're going to need to repeat this activity 6 times. Well, actually 5 times more with each of the colors of the rainbow. So we're going to be making yellow rice and then blue rice, green rice, orange rice, and purple rice. So I'm going to repeat the same process that I did with the red rice with all the different colors, and I'm going to transfer it. This is a great opportunity to do this activity with your child. As you can see, our baby Saria, she wants to be engaged. All of these activities that we do at home, I like to involve the kids. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to help her go through the different steps, and we're going to do the rest of the rice colors together.